there's our hallelujah from our Dolly. And yeah, I'll uncover her now and do all the morning things I do. Well, afternoon things. Hallelujah, hallelujah. I love you, Dolly. So coming out, yeah, I'll uncover her, and usually, yes, I will. Routine would be I change a seed, fresh water, good mornings, bit of a chit chat. But I'm really glad we caught hallelujah, hallelujah, how she sees it properly. Yeah, it's pretty amazing. All right. Hallelujah, which is blessed be God. So there you go. All right, so happy Monday, guys. And yeah, like I said, just waking up because I had the lawn done, and we'll say good day to Dolly in a minute. I have to make a coffee and obviously uncover Dolly first. But you've heard it here live. Dolly singing hallelujah. Pretty groovy. Okay, see you soon, and happy Monday. Yeah, bye guys. I've said your prayers, but do you want to say good morning? Oh, there's Ma. Oh, little bird. Well, then he's going to have a coffee. How's that? And then you can have a chat in a minute. I'm sure you will start chatting. You are a bit of a chatterbox, aren't you, Dolly? Yes, but you've seen your mummy and you're thinking, love dances. You want pets, don't you? Yes, it's true. And Mum's coming. She sees her mum. Right? There's Mummy. You want pets of Mummy. Aww. Oh, God bless you, Dolly. Pets of Mama? Aww. Mummy's just woken up. Oh, see, good girl, no biting. That's wonderful. Yeah. Oh, you're doing so good, Dolly. There's a new piñata. Clean cage, a new piñata. Exciting stuff. Where is she now? Oh, she's down there with you. Oh, no. Look, where your mum's gone. What's happening? Peekaboo. Oh, okay, is that in your way? Right, we'll say goodbye and catch you all later, good people. Take care. Oh, I thought, you're doing some aerobics. Big stretch. She can stretch all the way out if she wants to. It's quite deep. You can't tell by the depth of how big that is, but yeah. Oh, did you get it, Dolly? Alright, preen time because it's the morning. Oh, isn't that sweet? Alright, bye guys. Have a wonderful week. Take care.